All right, I think we're back. We're back. We'll start from the top all over. Thank you for staying tuned.
Yeah.
Keep sharing.
You're going to have the full video of it.
Drop a message.
Yes.
Drop a message. I love you too. Thank
All
you
right
very
now.
much.
We're going. Yes.
Ooh, yeah. Ah, God will do it for me. My God will do it for me. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I know my God will do it for me. God will do it for me. God will do it for me. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I know my God will do it for me. Sometimes it seems like I don't care when things are falling apart, left, right, and center. It's really not that I don't care, but I encourage myself in the Lord. Why should I fear? Why should I worry when Jehovah is on the throne? Why should I fear? Why should I worry when Jehovah is on the throne? Yeah. God will do it for me. God will do it for me. God will do it for me. Yeah. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I know my God will do it for me. One more time. God will do it for me. God will do it for me. God will do it for me. I don't know how, I don't know when. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I know my God will do it for me. Hey. Cast all your cares upon God, 'cause He cares for you now and ever. Lay all your fears at His feet and leave it there, leave it there. Give it all to Him, He's able. Give it all to Him, He's faithful. Just give it up to Him, He's able. 'Cause God will do it for you. Yeah, God will do it for me. God will do it for me. God will do it for me. I don't know how, I don't know when. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I know God will do it for me. Have faith in Him, He'll do it for you. God will do it for me. God will do it for you. God will do it for me. Yeah. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I know my God will do it for me. I've been loved with everlasting love, drawn with eternal kindness. If He could give His only Son for me, what else will He withhold from me? God will do it for you.
God will do it for me.
Hey, God will do it for me. God will do it for me. I don't know how, I don't know when. I don't know how, I don't know when. But I know my God will do it for me. He never fail, he must prevail. I don't know how, I don't know when. But I know my God will do it for me. He won't be late, he won't delay. I don't know how, I don't know when. But I know my God will do it for me. He never fail, he must prevail. I don't know how, I don't know when. But I know my God will do it for me. He will. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. It's G1 Sound.
I don't know it, but I know.
Thank
Yes,
you.
so I think we'll call it a day today. We had it really challenging today. It's not funny.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Send a Stanley chair. Send At least you heard the first laugh the first time, don't at that end point. Why can't you catch up the second time? Look at you. As if I'm not